Okay guys, welcome back. B is for boost. And actually, we're going to work on something that's boosted today. So today we have the 6-liter out that you've seen us do yesterday. Well, actually, the magic of editing, it's the same day. Voila! The same day. So we're going to pull the manifolds off. What you're going to see is one stud snap there, and the rest of them will look pretty crappy. Good old Chev problem. So we do got the heat out. We're going to pull them off now before it goes in. Only for the biggest reason is once it goes in, we're bolting these bad boys in. We're going to mock up our turbo kit. I'm going to play around with it this weekend some. And then I'm going to order head gaskets for an LS9. And we're going to put head gaskets and new head bolts on. Now, talking about cheap builds, should we go with LS9 bolts? Or should we go with CX Racing head studs? That is a very good question. So we're going to do that. We're going to come back. We're going to watch us heat those bad boys up, take them off. Hopefully not too many snap, which I'm not going to promise anything. And then we're going to set this in the shorty step side and we're going to have some fun. So that's the plans for today. Good old Good Friday. So that's where we're at. And as you see, there's too many cars out in the driveway. So stay tuned, guys. So Turple has a horseshoe up his arse because the very first one he put the socket on turned out.
Just to see if it fit, and it came right out.
Let's see how many of this you're gonna get on the first try.
I don't see too many. So yeah, that one already started.
We're just gonna show you the one side, guys. We're not gonna show you both sides. Saves the battery, and then that way I can actually help Turple. Because technically the channel should be Turple does all the work because there's no... That one's gonna need heat.
Yeah.
That's good because guess what I brought?
Lighter.
I brought the lighter. Guess what I can do?
Make fire.
I can turn the torches on for you.
Yeah, those are a little rusty. I think they're a little smaller than a 13 now.
Ooh. Torches are on.
Oh.
Oh. Oh! That is 2 down. One that we didn't break and one that did break.
Yeah, the rear one always snaps just from the heat alone.
Put it on the pavement and just smash the freaking thing. Oh, you're going smaller.
Because they were bigger, but they're so rusty now that...
Bang that bad boy on.
We're going to get some heat too.
Here you go. One white lighter. Well, the color doesn't matter, so... But one lighter.
Oh, white, clear, whatever we're going to call it. Oh, crap.
We couldn't get lucky to have one good one. All 4 on one side go. Woo! Fire!
I think we need a wrench for the weekend.
Did we get the worst, crappiest motor?
What's the crappiest?
Like, will a hammer go through the side of it? Where is the hammer?
Oh, probably behind you.
I think you're on
Right
it.
there.
I'm actually almost afraid to do this.
Pretty sure if you put a hammer through a cylinder wall, that's putting a turbo on the engine. Probably isn't a good thing. Yeah, it's a rough scale.
Welcome, Nova Scotia. Eh?
Fucking hell.
That's the side of the block.
Yeah, it's just the.
So what's it like living in Canada, you ask, eh?
Well, not just Canada, the freaking east coast of Canada, where we actually use salt. Which sucks, because all of our cars are raw.
Considering this is a cast iron block.
Yep.
Good as new.
That's what it's called.
Two purple monsters, one for me, one for him.
Instead of your iced tea?
No.
Look at that.
It's almost like we're professionals. I'm gonna get you a YouTube mechanics t-shirt. FYI, guys, that's probably gonna be the name of our next channel, YouTube Mechanics,
YouTube certified.
for how-tos. So there we go. So we're gonna leave it at this. There's no sense you guys watching us do the other side. I'm gonna grab a magnet, pull the stuff out of the head, which it is going to the machine shop later. You took the
It's yeah, but it's further one. The furthest one's in, so not a worry. It is.
no, it's the front ones.
Okay.
Yeah, look at this one. How it's right out.
Oh yeah,
and
it's
up and
right
down.
at the end here.
Yeah, still
That's
fine.
alright. There's tons of thread in there.
Yeah.
Anyways.
I don't see nothing. Do you guys see an issue? Anyways, we will be back when there's no sense you watching the same thing for their side. So that's how you do it, guys. We'll be back. Okay, guys, we are back. We got the motor stripped down. As you see, we got the manifolds off. We have the fan off. Now, it wouldn't come off, so we cut it for now. We're going to put a new water pump on anyways to save us some headache, which this wouldn't cause any issue anyways. We've tried heating it up. It won't budge at all. Just keep spinning. So, you see here, it's ready to go in. We took the AC compressor off for now. We're going to rob one out of my truck because I'm pretty sure the AC compressor on that one is good. And we are babies and we want AC. So,
But it's Canada. It stays cold here, right?
yeah. So we're going to drop this in for now. And then we're going to start mocking up the manifolds and stuff. That is the plan. You guys are going to watch us put it in and watch us struggle to get it in.
It's gonna be hard getting it up to there.
I agree. So,
It's gonna suck.
So, motor's bolted in, transmission's bolted in. Missing one stud for some reason. So we'll go to the U-pole, grab that.
Those are 12s, I think.
And we are putting in the manifolds real quickly so I can test fit it, and I'll get the fans back in, and I'll start putting the fender braces and stuff on.
Yeah, I'll grab them. That is a 12.
It is 12.
It must be smaller.
So, it's proper size. That should be good, Jeff. It's tight, isn't it?
Well,
Yeah, so.
it's there. These definitely are not flat. That front's tight enough.
So this goes on.
These come up over this like this, which might have to be moved. This goes on after.
Yes, it was after.
Well, that was on the stock ones. This one could be a little bit different.
Once that's tight to the block anyways, we'll be able to move it where we want it a little bit.
Yeah.
Like that. So, yeah. Cleared there. So there we have it. I'm going to play around with it, get the water pump back on, get some of this wiring hooked up, get the fan put in to give us an idea where we're going to put the turbo and stuff. You guys will stay tuned for that. And if you don't, just in case, depending on what the GoPro's at, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, join us back for more Turbo Sierra stuff. We got the neon hide in the background. We got Camaros, we got Kias, we got a new mud buggy, I think, too. So we got some stuff for you guys to stay tuned for. Talk to you guys later.